guys, I hope you all are fine. You all are welcome to see Viday's website review. In this website, you all will get to know that whether the website is legit or it is a scam. Guys, this is not our website, so the review is totally unbiased. So let's have the quick review of this homepage. So guys, these all are the products. As you all can see that. New arrivals, health and beauty. There's also popular product. Okay guys, let's check it out the menu section. So here are home and garden, baby, outdoor tools, health and beauty and so on. So they have also provided their address, phone number and the email ID. So let's click on the contact. So for the contact, if you have a query, so you can fill your name, email, subject and the message you want to ask and submit to them. So here is also option for my account. So if you have an account for this website, so you can easily log in by using your username and password. And if you don't have your account for this website, so you will have to create it. So let's check it out the payment options. So for the payment option, you can use your PayPal account. Let's check it out their terms and conditions. So this is their terms and conditions, guys. Let's check it out the returns and refund policy. So this is a return and refund policy. And they have described all their returns policy. Let's check it out their privacy policy, guys. So this is privacy policy and they have described all their privacy possibility, like information they collect, what kind of information they collect, how the use of it, cookies and so on. Guys, do share your comment in the comment box below. Let's check it out their shipping policy. So this is their shipping policy and they ship the product within 3 to 7 business days, as they mentioned that. Okay guys, let's go to the home page. Okay guys, so according to me, this is one of the fraud site of a big scam network, and also there is no Google reviews for it, as I have seen that this website will never send you single item you pay for. Once you order an item, you will end up waiting for that item product which you ordered for that. So actually the aim of this site are to take your bank information and sell that to the scammers which made your cards replica and steal your money. So don't buy anything from these fraud website. So if you like my video, please hit the like button, and if you want to escape from the scam website, so subscribe to this channel. Do share your comment in the comment box below. Share your experience with this website. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much. Bye bye and take care.